Very good morning to all of you. Welcome to EduCourse Tutorials. So in the lecture series of sets, we are going to discuss our next question, which is based on finite and infinite sets. As we know, finite sets are those sets in which the process of counting of elements stops somewhere. Okay, and the infinite sets are those sets in which the counting of element does not stop anywhere. So these two types of set we are going to discuss in this numerical. Okay, so first is x such that x belongs to natural number. As we know, natural numbers are start from 1, and x square, given that x square is less than 36, so we can write it here simply that the elements whose square is less than 36 and it is belongs to natural numbers, so we can write here simply 1 2 3 4 and 5. We will not consider 6 here because the square of 6 is 36 and the element x square is less than 36. Okay, so the elements in set A will be 1 2 3 4 and 5. So which are countable, we can count this set. There are 5 elements, so this set will be finite set. Okay, this set will be finite set. Now second question, it is given that x such that x belongs to integer, and integer contains negative numbers, positive numbers and 0, and x is less than 10. Okay, so x is less than 10, so there are too much numbers in the negative side because z has from minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, z ranges from minus infinity to plus infinity, means it have numbers from minus infinity to plus infinity. So less than 10, all the negative numbers are less than 10, so we can say that simply the counting in negative side will continue, but in positive side it is less than 10, so the numbers or elements are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. But in negative side it will not stop anywhere, so this set will be considered as infinite set. Okay, now third one is x such that x belongs to n and x is prime number. सो x बिलोंग कर रहा है किससे, n से, और x क्या है, प्राइम नंबर है. सो अगर हम n की बात करते हैं तो n 1 से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं, और एक नेचुरल नंबर की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो नेचुरल नंबर अपने आप में एक इनफाइनाइट सेट होता है क्योंकि हम इसको काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो अगर प्राइम नंबर की बात करते हैं तो नेचुरल नंबर में प्राइम नंबर भी क्या होगा, एक इनफाइनाइट सेट होगा, क्योंकि जितनी बार भी हम उसको काउंट करेंगे हर बार हमें जो है एक न्यू डिफरेंट नंबर और उससे ग्रेटर नंबर मिलता चला जाएगा. तो ये जो सेट होगा ये भी क्या होगा, इनफाइनाइट सेट होगा. ओके, सो नाउ नेक्स्ट, x such that x belongs to n. Again x is belonging from natural number and x is even. X is even. So similar like prime number, there are infinite even numbers in this set of natural numbers. So okay, so this set is also infinite set. Okay, because if x belongs to natural number, then in every even number if we add 2, then we get a greater even number. Okay, so which will continue till infinite. So this is an infinite set. X such that x belongs to n and x is greater than 100. So see here, x is greater than 100 and x is belonging from n. Again there are many numbers, 101, 102 and still which are greater than 100. Okay, so we can say that here also this is a infinite set. Okay. Now next question, set of numbers which are multiple of 5. So there are too many numbers which are multiple of 5. Okay, so again it is infinite set. Okay, next question, set of all animals living on the earth. तो अगर हम set of all animals living on the earth की बात करते हैं तो इस कंडीशन में ये जो सेट होता है वो हमारा फाइनाइट सेट हो जाता है. ओके, बिकॉज ऑल सेट ऑफ एनिमल्स लिविंग ऑन अर्थ इज काउंटेबल. ओके, सो उनको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं. सो ये हमारा क्या होगा, फाइनाइट सेट होगा. ओके, फाइनाइट सेट. सिमिलर लाइक a trees, number of trees in a jungle is also an finite set. Leaves on a tree is also an finite set. Okay, x such that x belongs to n and x is less than 1000. So here given that x belongs to n and x is less than 1000. So in this set the element, first element will be 1 2 3 dot dot, it will continue till 999. Okay, so the number of elements are starting from 1 and ending on 999, which is a definite set. Okay, because every number here is less than 1000 and it is belonging also from the natural number, so it is a finite set. Okay, next question, set of all parallel lines, set of all lines parallel to y axis. So there are too many lines, or we can say that there are infinite lines which are parallel to y axis can exist. So it is an example of infinite set. Okay, set of all triangles in a plane. So similar like parallel lines, if I draw y axis, then there are too many lines we can draw which are parallel to this y axis. Similar like that, if I draw a plane and I draw some triangles, then we will see that there are possibility of making infinite number of triangles. Okay, so this set is also an infinite set. Okay, okay students, so I hope you can simply identify which sets are finite and which sets are not finite or infinite sets. Okay, so if this video is helpful to you, then like, share and subscribe. Thanks to all of you. Have a nice day.